What is up, guys? My name is Jack O'Brien and welcome back to Interesthings. With artificial intelligence seeing a continuous rise, it's only a matter of time before governments get involved. At the White House Frontiers Conference in Pittsburgh, President Obama spoke about the future, specifically what the nation would look like in 50 years and beyond. And we all know that nothing can be said about the future without mentioning AI. The White House released 2 articles concerning the topic of artificial intelligence. One, titled "Preparing for the Future of Artificial Intelligence," is a report that looks at the current state of AI as well as the potential future concerns regarding policy and government. The government wants to expand AI but still has to make sure there are regulations in place to keep the people safe. The second document released was titled "National Artificial Intelligence Research and Development Strategic Plan." And this specific article focused more on AI development and making sure that AI development stays on track. The Obama administration has made clear that regardless of the outcome of the election, AI development is something that is crucial for societal progression. And governments need to take up policies that are both scientific as well as focused on progression. Recently, there have been AI advances everywhere. When we talk about artificial intelligence, we're talking about the ability for a machine to do something that would require human intelligence. While machines are currently better at math and other tasks than humans, they're not able to do these tasks in a large variety of different fields with the same level of proficiency. This is something that only human intelligence currently can do. While machines can currently do math and many other tasks better than humans, they cannot perform a broad amount of tasks all in one. There's a difference when talking about automation versus artificial intelligence. Automation consists of replacing mundane and repetitive human tasks with machines. This can be in the form of physical labor or skilled labor. Artificial intelligence, however, deals not with replacing human labor, but instead human decision-making. In order to get this accomplished, machines are going to need to analyze a large amount of data and make decisions within seconds. Google's DeepMind AI allows it to learn from its previous memories, which in turn allowed Google's DeepMind to learn how to play the ancient Chinese game Go and eventually go on to beat the Go master. Go is a much more complex game than chess. This is because there's more than 2.08 times 10 to the 170th possible moves. Google's DeepMind AI was able to learn the game Go and eventually go on to beat the world champion at Go. So now Google's DeepMind is the best player at this game. This computer uses what is called a differential neural computer, which allows the computer to analyze complex data structures while also building on its current memory. This computer uses reinforcement learning to essentially learn from its mistakes and build on its own memory. While this does allow for a computer to build on previous memory, it's not quite artificial intelligence yet. While Google DeepMind did win at Go, we are still looking to accomplish a much harder task. In order to build an AI that is able to do things with that level of proficiency, but across a broad field of tasks, is something that scientists are still working to accomplish. Using a differential neural computer is a good start for building AI, and we will continue to use the human brain as a model when designing artificial intelligence. Stephen Hawking spoke about AI at the Leverhulme Center for the Future of Intelligence in Cambridge, during which he stated that success in creating AI could be the biggest event in the history of our civilization, but it could also be our last, he cautioned. This is not to say that he's opposed to AI development at all. It just means that Stephen Hawking, along with many other scientists, believe that AI needs to be driven in human-friendly ways and that we must be very careful in developing AI. Stephen Hawking also stated that the potential benefits of creating intelligence are huge. We cannot predict what we might achieve when our minds are amplified by AI. Which draws an allusion to Elon Musk's idea of a neural lace which can symbiotically connect the brain to AI. It appears that Stephen Hawking is also talking about some form of amplification to the brain through the use of AI. Stephen Hawking said that the importance of AI development, along with other technologies going on right now, is so important that it rivals the importance of the previous Industrial Revolution. AI will completely change our world in ways we aren't even able to fully fathom now. In order to ensure that AI revolutionizes our world in a beneficial way, we will have to be very careful when developing and regulating AI in order to ensure that they are safe. AI is not something to fear, but rather it will revolutionize our world. What do you guys think about the development of AI? Do you think that AI is really on the brink of a breakthrough, or do you think it will be decades before we even begin to see AI development increase? Be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.